Hey everyone, hopefully you all have been doing great. I hope also you have watched previous class which was Unit 1 drama. Which topic in drama you should study more and which topic you should skip. Everything we have discussed in previous class. So in this class I have told you that I will try to highlight all the important dramas every time every time NT repeats, and you must prepare accordingly in chronology. Okay, so let's start. But before starting the class, what do you have to do? Subscribe the channel, share to all the other candidates and members who are also preparing for the same competitive exam, majorly literature, and let's start the class. You can join the channel, you can ask for the individual PDF. Self aspirants, you have to practice, you have to revise, you have to be consistent, and then you will get your success. Be positive, stay positive, be happy, and let's start the class. Also, we are eagerly now waiting for the answer keys, which is going to be released this week as per NTS notice. Let's hope क्या होता है. So here we will start everything we have discussed. Remember how drama rooted from Greek, and then till contemporary age we have discussed everything in all the ages. But all the ages you have to remember the specific genre, themes, and drama novels. Important thing you have to got in your mind is background, then characters, setting, techniques, terms. Okay, so these are the important aspects that you must highlight while preparing for drama we have discussed. So the drama related in Greek, and from Greek we are going to discuss the important drama that you must not forget. So Greek drama was majorly focused on genre. Comment your answer. 458, remember the Orestia, written by Achilles. It is a proper list. 458 BC, Orestia by Achilles, only surviving trilogy, including Agamemnon, libation bearers, and Eumenides. Okay, so important. Anyhow, if they will ask, you must answer. 429, Oedipus Rex, or simply known as Oedipus Complex, is also very important work by Sophocles. It is the perfect tragedy according to Aristotle. Following the three unities, all the elements of drama, tragedy. So this work is a perfect example of a great tragedy and a perfect drama. And it is also very important. Remember the characters, setting, background, genre, themes, everything related to this work. Then we have Lysistrata, Aristophanes, which is based on anti-war old comedy where women go on a sex strike. It is a comedy. Greek have two types of drama, tragedy and comedy. Okay. Then we have Bacchae by Euripides. It's focused on the god Dionysus, known for its psychological depth. Then you have Adolfo. Parents, these are not that important, but as a literature student, you must aware about all these works. I will highlight the important one too. So let's see medieval age when we enter, which focus majorly on genres like you have religious, saint, religious people's life. So they were describing more on religious and giving the moral instruction throughout the play. So through the play, they were majorly highlighting the religious, teaching morality and moral instructions. Okay, to the audience. So this is the play Dulcitius by Roswith, written by a nun, the first female dramatist in antiquity. Wakefield Cycle, which is by Anonymous, based on mystery plays, biblical stories. Second Shepherds is a great example. Already told you, every man already anonymous, the most famous example of a morality play. So please remember, इसका example पूछा जाता है. Morality play characters hold good deeds, hold moral nature. Renaissance age, which was important, and here you're going to shift. The writers shifted the nature of the drama from ancient Greek, Roman to their humanity, showing the human nature. So Gorboduc is the most important we have by Norton, Thomas Sackville and Thomas Norton. It is the first English tragedy in blank verse and most repeated and most asked questions by NTA. Gorboduc, please remember. The Spanish tragedy, again, it's very important, established the revenge tragedy genre by Thomas Gator, 1587. So you must. Tamburlaine the Great by Christopher Marlowe introduced Marlowe's mighty line, which is also called blank verse. Again, important. Dr. Foster's, the most important, you are going to find this work because of the nature of this drama. You have to remember all the highlights. Themes of Renaissance and overreaching character you're going to find here. Thirst for knowledge, thirst for power. This character holds overreacher. 1594, The Comedy of Errors by William Shakespeare, early Shakespearean and farce, plotting influence this work is based on. Then we have a PDF White's stock. 1599, The Shoemaker's Holiday by Thomas Dekker. It is a classic citizen comedy. 1601, we move into the Hamlet, which is the one of the greatest tragedy by Shakespeare. Sejanus His Fall by Ben Jonson. This work was not so famous, but this work has already appeared in the matching questions. So you can say Ben Jonson was a great and bigger writer, but this work was minor and not so popular. But still, this is important for NTA exam, and already ये आपका matching question में writers से आ चुका है. So Sejanus His Fall, please remember, it is a romance, Roman tragedy, Johnson's strict classicism. He has highlighted here. Edward II, 1592 by Christopher Marlowe, one of the earliest English history plays by Marlowe. Then in Jacobean and Caroline drama, very important all the dramas. Volpone 1606 by Ben Jonson, Beast Fable, satire and showing the comedy of humorous genre. 1607, The Revenger's Tragedy against Jacobean, Elizabethan age, all the dramas are very important everyone. Cyril Turner, Darkest Jacobean Revenge play, this work is. Then we have 1610, The Alchemist by Ben Jonson. It is satirizes and it shows the human greed and gullibility. This work is important. I have read and this is very funny if you will read, and it also teaches you lesson. 1611, The Tempest by William Shakespeare. Here Shakespeare's farewell play and based on romance genre. It highlights. 1612, you have The White Devil by John Webster. So John Webster, Italian setting, focus on the macabre. Like why, if we will ask why Jacobean age drama or Elizabethan or Renaissance, when we enter into the Renaissance age, all the dramas, why they were important and frequently asked by NTA in each cycle. अगर इसमें नहीं पूछा है तो they will ask you in the another one. So majorly they were important because all the works have some specific term or some specific like genre, theme, technique you can say, जो कि which makes those works important for the exam perspective. That's why you must remember. Duchess of Malfi, remember all the characters from the Duchess, two brothers, Cardinal and Ferdinand. Then the villain hired by them, John Webster. High point, remember Jacobean tragic realism. 1621, The Witch of Edmonton. This is asked in the matching questions in the minor work. 1630, The Tis Pity She's a Whore. John Ford explores the forbidden themes. Okay. Then in the Restoration age, we have The Country Wife by William Wycherley. It is a masterpiece of restoration wit and cynicism. 1675, remember the year. 1677, you have The Rover by Aphra Behn, the first female dramatist, the novelist and playwright. 1677, All for Love by John Dryden, a neoclassical heroic drama on Antony and Cleopatra. It is a retelling, okay? Antony and Cleopatra by Shakespeare. 1700, The Way of the World by William Congreve. It is a high point of comedy of manners. This work highlights. 1728, we have The Beggar's Opera by John Gay. It is a ballad opera, satirizes Italian opera. Okay. 1731, The London Merchant by George Lilo, the first major Borges, highlights the middle class tragedy. 1773, She Stoops to Conquer by Oliver Goldsmith, and again it's very important, all the characters, genres, themes, background settings, please prepare. Or 1775, you have The Rivals. Richard Brinsley Sheridan introduced the character Mrs. Malaprop, and this character each time always asked by NTA. Then in modern and contemporary drama, you have 1879, A Doll's House by Henrik Ibsen. Romantic age was not so important, but still there are few works which is asked by NTA, falls in the minor work category. Prometheus Unbound, you have The Borders, you have, so you can remember the list. You can watch the previous class. I will put the link in the description. You can watch. 1879, A Doll's House by Henry Gibson, Foundation of Modern Realistic Drama. 1895, you have The Importance of Being Earnest by Oscar Wilde. It is a trivial comedy for serious people. 1903, we have Man and Superman. ये हमेशा वर्क आपका बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है, आता है. GB Shaw features the famous Don Juan in Hell scene. 1922, the famous The Hairy Ape by Eugene O'Neill, landmark of American expressionist drama. 1935, Murder in the Cathedral by T.S. Eliot, and it is example of verse drama, also called poetic drama, remember. Thomas A. Becket, based on murder of Thomas A. Becket, the very popular murder during in the Canterbury Cathedral. 1949, Death of a Salesman by Arthur Miller defined tragedy and common man phenomena. 1953, Waiting for Godot by Samuel Beckett. It is a great example of absurdism, existentialism, okay, and meaningless plot. So, Theatre of the Absurd, do you remember? 1956, Look Back in Anger, very important, by John Osborne, started the kitchen sink realism or kitchen sink drama movement, angry young man movement you are going to find here. 1957, The Birthday Party by Harold Pinter. It is a prototype for comedy of minutes. 1916, you have Rosencrantz and Guildensterns Are Dead by Tom Stoppard. It is a postmodern meta drama based on Hamlet. So please do remember. Indian drama, if we will talk about, 1958, what is it? Asht Ka Ek Din by Mohan Rakesh. It is a first modern Hindi play based on Kalidas. 1964, Tughlaq by Girish Karnal. It is most repeated and most asked drama from Indian literature. Historically allegory for Nehruvian era. In 1967, we have Silence. The Courts is in Session by Vijay Tendulkar. It critiques middle class social hypocrisy. Then we have 1971, again by Girish Karnal, Hai Vadna. Again, it's very important. It explores the themes of incompleteness via folk forms. 1972, you have Ghasi Ram Kotwal by Vijay Tendulkar. It satirizes on power using the human world for us. 1990, Tara by Mahesh Dattani. 1993, Final Solutions, Harvest. These are always asked in the माइनर वर्क कैटेगरी एंड इन मेजरली मैचिंग क्वेश्चंस है जो आपके अभी जून में भी आए थे. ओके, कंटेम्परेरी ड्रामा इफ यू विल टॉक अबाउट 1892, you have Widower's Houses. We have done the contemporary drama, right? No. Okay, that was the Indian. So contemporary drama 1892, we have Widower's Houses by G.B. Shaw. His first play, part of plays Unpleasant. 1893, Mrs. Warren's Profession by G.B. Shaw again discusses the prostitution censored for over 30 years. 1904, you have Riders to the Sea by J.M. Singe, one act tragedy of the Irish Aran Island. So remember the name of the island. 1907, The Playboy of the Western World by J.M. Singe again. Playboy riots and Dublin due to its portrayal of the Irish peasantry. Six characters, Saint John. This work is important. So please, these are the examples of all the important. In this, the glass managerie, mother courage and her children, these are very, very important. One, please prepare. It is by Bertolt Brecht, 1939, and the glass managerie is by Tennessee Williams. Okay. A Streetcar Named Desire by Tennessee Williams again, and The Mouse Trap by Agatha Christie. It is a world's longest running play, a classic word knit. Zoo Story by Edward Albee, Raisin in the Sun by Lauren Hansberry, Caretaker by Harold Pinter, Saved by Edward Bond, Top Girls by Carol Churchill, Dancing at Danza by Brian Freer. Okay, so please do remember these are the important drama list from all the ages you must prepare if you are self-aspirant. Okay, and here are the some landmark year. In 1997, you are going to find a very important few works. Harvest by Manjula Padmanabhan. It is a dystopian satire on organ trade between the first and third world. The Dreams of Tipu Sultan by Girish Karnad, commissioned for BBC 1997. Okay. Keats was a tuber by Poil Sengupta, first published in 1997. Remember, we are discussing the 1997, which was the landmark for drama. The Blue Room by David Harry, adapted in 1997. Closer by Patrick Marber. Evening Standard Award 1997. It explores the modern love and betrayal part of In Your Face theatre. Seven Steps Around the Fire by Mahesh Dattani, radio performance 1997, that deals with the invisible lives and murders in the Hijra community. So these are the 1997. All the works falls in the year 1997. So that's why it is important. The year 1997 is important. So these are the some most important drama list that you must not forget. If you are the self aspirant, nobody is going to tell you, but I am here to highlight all for you. You please do prepare, and if you want this PDF, you can simply let me know. How do you like the class? Let me know. Give your feedback, give suggestions, and which topic you want me to bring next. Except for the schedule, you can tell me that also. Thank you so much for joining. Take care of yourself. Be positive for the answer keys. Let's wait positively. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.